located along a line extending from Stormville to Crescentaville to Nesquehoning to Tuscarora, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Allentown, Easton, Lehighton, Bethlehem, Forks, Emmaus, Northampton, Wilson, Washington, Hellertown, Nazareth, Palmerton, Bangor, Slatington, Penn Argo, Wind Gap, Bath, Belvidere, Harmony, and Oxford. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 47 and 75. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 45 and 76. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 9. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon and Warren, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Carbon, Lehigh, Monroe, and Northampton. Here is the region.